Hi, folks. This is George Kosh. I'm the CEO of World Profit, and I wanted to help you out with a problem that we all have. You go to some site and you just can't figure something out. You're not sure how to use something on in a browser. It could be like, say, for example, you're trying to send using Mailgun or SendGrid, and you're just confused, right? You just don't know what to do. Go to this site. It's called AI Studio, aistudio.google.com. Totally free. Doesn't cost a nickel. And go to your stream, click on stream, do exactly what I'm doing, click share screen, and I always go entire screen. Okay. So you pick entire screen, and what we'll do is it's going to help you figure out anything on your screen. And you talk to it with your microphone on your computer, and it will talk back to you. So here I am now, and I'm saying, okay, I need some help with this screen. Can you help me? Well, I was just doing a video for my members, and I thank you for your time. But I know you can help with anything. So, whatever site I go to or anywhere I go, you can help me, right? So, there you go, folks. You can switch tabs, you can go to other tabs, anything on your desktop, any application that you have. Say that you're having trouble with Postbox, for example, or well, not Postbox, EM Client. It will look at it, recognize it, and help you through. Pretty amazing. I highly recommend it. Okay, so hopefully this helps a lot of people.